Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. So in today's video I created this grungy gunmetal eyeshadow look. If you guys want to see how I achieve this look, make sure that you keep on watching, but first make sure that you subscribe to my channel, tap the bell so that you're notified whenever I do post. Also give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. And yes, if you guys want to see how I achieve this makeup look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so for today's video, I want to do like a really dark, grungy, gunmetal eyeshadow look. I have palettes that I just never use certain colors in. So what I'm trying to do is, I'm like, you know what, I'm looking at all my palettes and I'm like, this is the color I wouldn't use. And I'm like, okay, let me go ahead and make a look using those colors that I normally would not use. So I'm trying to step out of my comfort zone. I keep saying this. That's because I don't want to make the same videos over and over again. So I'm trying out different eyeshadow looks. So let's see how this one turns out. I'm going to be taking an eyeshadow primer to prime my eyes. And I'm taking this Luscious Angel Eyes eyeshadow base. A little bit of this goes a long way, and I feel like I use way too much on that eye, so let me just go ahead and make it even. I'm really trying to get to 100 subscribers. At least I need to set a goal for myself when I want to reach my 100 subscribers. At this point, I've been doing YouTube for over a year now. At this point, I thought that I would have been reached 100 subscribers, but no, sis, I have not. I'm still like 40 something subscribers away from reaching 100. So I'm gonna set a goal for myself. Hopefully this is a goal that can be, that I can achieve to at least hit 100 subscribers by, it's April. So I'm gonna say by Halloween, I'm hoping to reach at least 100 subscribers. So if you're the 60% of people that watch my videos and don't subscribe, I'm asking if you can please go ahead and subscribe to my channel so that I can hit my goal of 100 subscribers by Halloween. That will be very, very appreciated. And yeah, so subscribe to my channel. Okay, so now that my eyes are primed, I'm gonna be taking this Morphe, what palette is this? This is the Nightmaster 15M palette. And I'm gonna be taking this shade right here. It's a brown shade, Shook. And I'm going to be applying this as my transition shade. And to apply that, I'm gonna be taking my Morphe E27 brush. I'm taking this shadow pretty high up towards my brow bone, and I'm pulling it out because this is going to be a really, I'm not going to say really because I don't know how it's going to go, but the vision that I have in my head, this is going to be like a dark, like I said, a dark grungy makeup look. So I'm going to be pulling the shadow up pretty high, and like I said, I'm going to extend it outward. Next, I'm going to be taking this brown shade right here, Selfie, and I'm going to be applying that right on top. I'm sorry, not Selfie. The shade right here is called, Goals. So taking this brown shade, and I'm going to be applying that on top of the shadow that I just used. I'm trying to be a little bit more healthier. So right now I am starving like Marvin, and I'm just thinking about all the different foods that I want to eat because I'm just so hungry. Next, I'm going to be taking this purple shade, Cliche, and I'm going to be applying that in my crease. To apply this shadow, I'm going to be taking my Morphe E17 brush. I'm going to be taking this brush. It has no product on it. I'm just going to soften out the harsh edges. Next, I'm going to switch over to a different palette. This is my Glam Metals palette by Crown Pro. And I'm going to be taking this black shade, Black Metal, and I'm going to apply that on the outer corner of my eye. And to do that, I'm taking this Morphe M506 brush. Just gonna start off by tapping the product in my outer corner. And I'm slowly gonna blend into my crease, just lightly. I don't wanna go all the way in, just on the outer part of my eye. And I'm also gonna blend just a tiny bit of that black in the crease as well. Now I'm going to cut my crease using my eyeshadow primer, and I'm just going to put a little bit of this on the back of my hand. Also, out of my Glam Metals palette, I'm going to be taking, I'm not sure if I want to use this shade right here, it's called Punk, or this one right here that's called Heavy Metal. Let me swatch these two shades for you guys so you guys can see the difference. So these are the two shades, if you guys can see that. The one on top is Punk and the one on the bottom is Heavy Metal. I'm not sure which one I want to use for this look. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use both. So first I'm going to start off with Heavy Metal, the darker one, and then I'm going to put Punk on top. So since I don't know, let's just use both. Why not? So of course I'm going to be taking a flat brush to apply this shadow. I'm just going to go ahead and pack that onto my lid. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply the other shade, Punk, right on top. Now I'm going to be taking my small blending brush again, and I'm going to dip back into the black shade. And I'm going to deepen up the outer corner and also blend in the black with this metallic shade that we have. Alright, so now that we're done with the eyes, let's go ahead and move on to the face. I'm going to be taking my Dr. Brandt Luminizing Primer. For foundation, I'm taking my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in the shade Cappuccino. And to highlight, I'm taking the concealer, the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in the shade Golden Honey. To set my concealer, I'm taking my K-Lux Cosmetics setting powder. To contour, I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Cocoa. To set my contour, I'm taking my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, and this is in medium to dark. For eyeliner, I'm going to be taking this Jante Blue. This is a Glittering Star eyeliner. So it's a black eyeliner and it has glitter in it. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this under my lower lash line. So I applied this eyeliner pretty heavy under my lower lash line because I want it to be very smoky. So I'm going to be taking a bullet brush and I'm going to dip back into the black shade, and I'm just going to pack that right on top of the eyeliner just to set it in place. Now the brush that I use for my outer corner, this little small brush, I'm just going to go ahead and wipe off this black. And I'm going to dip back into the purple shade that we use in our crease, cliche, which is right here. And I'm just going to soften out this black underneath my lower lash line. So this is really smoking out my lower lash line. It's also added just a little bit of that purple shade. For my inner corner, I'm taking the KKWX Mario palette, and I'm going to take this really, really light champagne color, and I'm going to apply that in my inner corner. I'm going to apply some mascara to prep my lashes for falsies. For blush, I'm going to be taking this Pretty Vulgar blush, and this is in the shade Make Them Blush. I'm really into this for some reason lately. I don't know what it is, but I'm really into blush. And to highlight, I'm going to be taking my Laura Geller highlighter in the shade Gilded Honey. For lips, I'm going to be lining my lip with the Jante Blue Lip Liner in the shade Brown Sugar. For lips, I'm going to be taking this Gerard Cosmetics liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Iced Mocha. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a huge thumbs up. Make sure that you comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next one.